Honey sesame chicken is one of the most popular dishes at Panda Express. But these days, whenever you go, it feels like you get less food for more money. So today, we're going to make Panda Express honey sesame chicken at home instead. Not only is this dish packed with sweet and tangy flavor, it only costs us $3 per serving to make. Whether you're meal prepping or looking for ways to save money, this recipe is one you'll have to try. It's surprisingly easy, so get out your woks and let's get cooking. Start by chopping one yellow bell pepper into about 1-inch pieces, and prep half a pound of string beans or green beans that are trimmed to 2-inch long pieces. For the sauce, mix a 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and whisk until smooth. For the chicken, we'll slice 1 1/4 pound of chicken tenderloins into 2 to 3 inch long strips, or you can feel free to cube these as well. Either way, these will get nice and crispy later. We'll also add 1 egg white and mix. We'll then prep a bowl of cornstarch and toss all the chicken in the cornstarch so that each piece is fully coated with the cornstarch. Then let it rest on a pan for 2 minutes. In an air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll load our chicken and spray generously with oil. Then cook for 12 minutes, shake, spray generously with more oil, and fry for another 12 to 15 minutes. We can then remove our now crispy chicken and repeat for the rest. Once our crispy chicken is ready, we'll get our wok on high heat, add some oil, add our bell pepper and string beans, and toss for about 90 seconds. Then add our crispy chicken, and sauce, then give it all a nice toss to help fully coat all the chicken and veggies with that sweet honey sauce. We'll then turn off the heat and toss for another 30 seconds. Add some sesame seeds, and boom, we have Panda Express honey sesame chicken. This is delicious. The sweet and tanginess from the chili sauce combined with the additional sweetness from the honey just goes so well with this crispy chicken. Each bite has a nice crunch from the chicken, and the veggies just give this dish some nice color and texture. This tastes just like Panda Express, but in my opinion, even better. If we look at how much food we're given from a medium side of honey sesame chicken, we see that we're given about 0.77 pounds, which isn't too bad, but this did cost $12, so. Now let's see how much honey sesame chicken we made at home. We might need a larger plate, to be honest. Note that you can scale this recipe to however much food you wish. This is a great meal prep option, and making more typically lowers the cost per meal, but feel free to make whatever serves your needs. All in all, we made about 1.73 pounds. Far more than what you get by eating out, and cheaper. This is a great way to save money on food, but still enjoy a delicious meal. Here are today's ingredients. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.